Janae back with another video. Before I get this video started, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. Also press that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos. So today I am actually going to be trying to put the blue hair paint wax on the ends of my hair with these cute little mini twists in, and I'm just curious how this look is going to turn out. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, so I am doing this video out of faith, okay? So I put these mini twists in my head 4 days ago, so this is how it is looking. It is all dried up and it has shrunken some since the first day, but that's because my hair has got wet a little bit when I was in the shower, you know, but it's still good and all. So now I am going to be putting the blue in my hair, okay? Now I did apply a whole lot the last time, so I have about this much left. So with this hair paint wax, I'm going to actually start at the ends of my hair since I am doing the end. So I just put a good amount on there and I just keep on doing that, keep repeating the same steps until I get all of my head covered. I'm not going to get too much in depth of how to apply the hair paint wax since I do have other videos talking about that, and which I will actually link at the top. Like I said, I had these mini twists in my hair for 4 days, so I feel like I'm actually going to keep them in for a couple of more days, then eventually I will take them down. So when I do take them down, normally when I have mini twists in, I do wear it as like a twist out for like maybe 1 or 2 days. So I'm thinking about actually doing a video for you guys to show you guys how I actually take these twists out of my head. Also, before you click off of this video, because I know some people don't watch my videos all the way, which is okay, but before you click off my video, I do want to let you know that you can use code Janae to get a discount on any of the hair paint wax, and I will also put that in my description box below. Help me get some coins, you know what I'm saying? So now that I am finished applying the blue hair paint wax on my hair, I am actually going to blow dry my hair, and I actually laid my edges. So this is the finished results. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also give it a thumbs up. Love y'all.